How to increase your Windows 11 boot speed. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can easily increase your boot speed on Windows. So the very first thing you want to do is go to your Run dialog box, press Windows plus R, and then simply search for msconfig, hit enter. Your system configuration should open up. Go over to boot. From there you need to go to advanced option, and here you can find the number of processor. Just check this and then click on the drop down. Select the value to the highest number. Click on OK and you're gonna good to go. Click on apply and then click on OK again. It'll be prompted to restart your device. Just click on restart and you're gonna be good to go. Next step you need to do is go over to control panel, and from there you need to go to uh, categories, click on large icons and select Power Options. From Power Options, you can click on Change Plan Settings, and then from there, you need to change Advanced Power Settings from here. Click on it, and then make sure you have allowed the wake timers on the sleep section. Click on the drop down and click on Allow Wake Timers. Once that is done, all you have to do next, from here you want to choose what the power buttons do option. Then from there you need to make sure you select this fast startup option. So click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Make sure you enable this turn on fast startup. Click on save changes. Once that is done, if you don't have that option, what you can do is right click on your Windows terminal and open your terminal admin. Click on yes, and from here all you have to do is type in this command rcfg space /hibernate space on, just like so. Hit enter and go ahead and refresh that settings here, and you can easily find it on this option right here. So once you have done all of this, you have to disable the Linux subsystem. So for that, you go to search icon and simply search for Windows feature and go to this right here. Then from there, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here until you find the Linux subsystem. Make sure that is disabled. So let me just quickly find it. So make sure this Windows subsystem for Linux is disabled and click on OK. You're good to go. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.